Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. In last two video lecture, we start the topic composite function. In this video lecture, we continue this composite function and another give some examples. This is your first one, this is your second one, right? F is the function from R to R, G is the function from R to R. Fx equal to 3 possibility, 1 if x greater than 0, equal to 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. Signum function. We have already discussed this question. Then gx equal to 1 plus x minus square bracket x. Square bracket x is the greatest integer function, right? Okay, floor function. Okay, we find f of gx. We find f of gx, but first we discuss this one gx. Put some value here and verify the gx function. Suppose first we take 1.9 positive value because our domain is R. 1.9, 1 plus 1.9 minus square bracket 1.9, 1 and 2. 1.9 in between 1 and 2 and floor function, that is left side number. So square bracket of 1.9, answer is 1. Here 1 cancel. So our answer is 1.9. Right? If we put positive number, we get answer also positive. Okay. Suppose we get negative number, minus 2.8. Put here 1 minus 2.8 minus. So square bracket minus 2.8. Square bracket minus 2.8. We draw the number line. Minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2.8 here. Minus 2.8 here. So answer is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. So minus minus plus. So 1 minus 2.8 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2.8, answer 1.2. Again positive answer. Okay, now we take 0. If you put here 0, g of 0, the 1 plus 0 minus 0. Square bracket of 0, answer 0. So 0, 0 cut, so answer is 1. Again positive number. That means if we take here x is positive, negative, integer, fraction, answer any one, but answer we get always positive number. Which one? Positive number. Okay? We explain here. Now look here f of g. F of gx. F of gx. Right? Suppose we take first value. F of g 1.9. So f, so g 1.9. Answer is 1.9. Okay? For fx function, this is your x. Here 1.9 is positive number. Look your condition. If we take positive number, answer 1. If we take negative number, answer minus 1. If we take 0, answer is 0. Right? Here, x is the positive number. That is this one. So, answer is 1. Okay? Again, put this value. Repeat. F O G minus 2.8. F of G minus 2.8. Minus 2.8, answer is 1.2. Again positive, right? 1.2 is a positive number. Would here for fx, this is your x. 1.2 is a positive, so answer is again 1. Is that clear? If a same calculation in 0. So always you get put any number, but answer is f o g of x is always 1, only 1. Because g of x is always positive. Gx is always positive. And put here, so fx is always positive. So answer is 1. Clear? Okay, so we discuss f o gx. Now this one. Some different type of question. F is the function from R to R, fx equal to x, where g is the function from R to R, gx equal to 2 raised to x. In your question, f o gx equal to g o f x is already given. F o g and g o f both are equal, and then we find x. Okay. Start here. F of gx equal to g of fx. So f of gx, g of fx. F of gx is what? 2 raised to x. G of fx is x square. Okay. Now for the function f, this is your x. Fx is x square. Fx is x square. Now put here x, 2 raised to x. Okay. Gx, this is your x for gx function. Gx equal to 2 raised to x. Put here this one, 2 raised to, this is your x, x square. Okay. Now power of the power multiply. 2 raised to 2x. 2 raised to x square. Right side as it is. Now look here. These are equal. Okay. Compare the base. Okay. So power, base cancel. So 2x equal to x square. Now 2x in right side. So x square minus 2x equal to 0. X common. X minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So we get two answer, 0 and 2. Okay. That means if f of g and g of fx equal, then we get x equal to 0 and 2. Clear? Third sum. F is the function from r plus to r plus. Fx equal to x upon root 1 plus x square. We find fo, fx. Right? Three function, composition of three function. Right? First we find this one, fo, fx. F O f x. F of fx. For fx is x upon root 1 plus x square. Okay. For the function fx, this is your x. Put here, this is your fx. This one, x upon root 1 plus x square upon square root of 1 plus x square. Now square this number. So x square upon 1 plus x square. Right? Now in denominator, cross multiplication. X upon root 1 plus x square upon, now cross multiplication, 1 plus x square plus x square. 1 plus x square multiplied by this one and 1 multiplied by this one. LCM as it is. 1 plus x square. Right? In both the numerator and denominator LCM same, because here root 1 plus x square, here also root 1 plus x square. Clear? So your answer FO fx equal to x upon root 1 plus 2x square. Here fx equal to x upon root 1 plus x square because single function. So here question is 1x square. Now composite of two function, we get answer 2x square. Clear? Now we get three functions, so answer is 3x square. Okay? Now we let this function, suppose hx. Hx equal to x upon root 1 plus 2x square. Okay? Now write one, FO fx. FO hx, because this one suppose hx. FO hx equal to f of hx. F of hx equal to x upon root 1 plus 2x square. Now this is your x for the function f. Which one? Fx is here. X upon root 1 plus x square. Put here in place of x. X upon root 1 plus 2x square upon root 1 plus. Now square of this number. X square upon 1 plus 2x square. Right? Now in denominator, cross multiplication. Numerator as it is. x upon root 1 plus 2x square. Yeah. In a denominator, cross multiplication 1 plus 2x square plus x square upon LCM 1 plus 2x square. Again LCM cancel. Okay. So answer x upon root 1 plus 3x square. Is that clear? Here again repeat. Here fx equal to x upon root 1 plus 1x square. 1x square. Here composite of two function, we get answer 2x square. Here composite of three function, answer 3x square. If dash 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 composition of n type of function, f o f dash 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 of x n time. How many times? N times. So we get answer x upon root 1 plus nx square. Is that clear? Okay. Now fourth one. F is the function from z to z, fn equal to n plus 2, 2n minus 1, given condition even and odd. G is the z to z, gn equal to 2n, n minus 1 upon 2, even and odd. We can find FOG and GOM. Okay. First we check both the function. Here n is the even number. Put here even number. N is the belongs to z. Right? Suppose we take 0. 0 plus 2 answer 2. 2 plus 2 answer 4. 4 plus 2 answer 6. If we put here even number, answer will also be even number. Right? Okay? Second one. Put odd number. Suppose minus 1. Suppose minus 1. Because Z domain. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 answer minus 3. Suppose we get minus 5. Minus 5. Put here minus 5. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Minus 10 and minus 1 minus 11. That means if we put here odd number, answer also odd number. Right? Here. Same question. Put here even. Here multiplication is multiple of 2. Right? So answer also even number. If you put here even number, answer also even number. But look careful this one. Look here. If you put here odd number, suppose we take 5. 5 minus 1. 4. 4 divided by 2. Answer even number. 4 divided by 2. Answer 2. 2 is the even. That means if you put here odd number, answer is even. Again repeat. Odd number 7. 7. 7 minus 1. 6. 6 divided by 2. 3. Answer we get odd number. Right? That is, this one is only one function. If we put odd number, answer is even also possible, odd also possible. Right? Okay. Now we get this. Now we discuss this question FOG and GOM. First we discuss FOG. FOG is the function from Z to Z. Every n belongs to Z. Domain of FOG. Okay. FOGN equal to F of GN. Here two function of GN. Yeah. So two possibility. Okay. The first we put Gn equal to 2n. 2n where n even. Gn where n is even. Again f n minus 1 by 2 where n odd. Clear? If n is even, then this one. Yeah. If n is odd, then this function n minus 1 by 2. Now for the function fn, this is your n. This is your n. And here answer is the even number. Answer is the even number. So this even number, put here even number. Because this is your even number. Okay. So even function is this one n plus 2. Put here n in place of n. This one. 2n plus 2. In place of n, we take 2n plus 2 because 2n is the even number. 2n is the even number. Okay, this one. Now f of n minus 1 by 2, where n is odd. But we get here two answer, even and odd. So, this number is even also and odd also. For the function fx, so this value put in both the function. This value put in both the function. Because this number is even also and odd also. So for the function fx, this is your even also and odd also. Okay. So here two possibility in this function. Now put here n in place of n, this one in even function. N minus 1 by 2 in place of n plus 2 by 1. And place here 2. This one n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here 2 cancel. N minus 1 minus 1. So n minus 2. FOGN equal to n minus 2 where n is odd. So we get two answer. Now in this cross multiplication, n minus 1 plus 4 upon 2. So n plus 3 by 2. Okay, clear? So FOGN is total 3 possibility. 1 possibility if n is even, 2 possibility if n is odd. Now we discuss GOF. GOF. GOF is the function from Z to Z. Right? Every n belongs to Z domain of GOF. GOFN equal to G of Fn. Here two possibility. Now G of Fn equal to n plus 2, where n is even. Again, Fn equal to 2n minus 1, where n odd. Okay. Here put even number, answer also even number. So for the function gx, we put this value in even function. Even function is this one. 2n in place of n plus 2. So answer 2n plus 4. Answer also even number. Now this one, put here odd number. Answer also odd number. So put in this value in this odd function. In place of n, this one. 2n minus 1 minus 1. In place of n, 2n minus 1. Minus 1 as it is, divided by 2. So 2n minus 2, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 upon 2. 2 common. Answer is n minus 1. Clear? So we discuss FOG and GOF in for these two function. Now discuss fifth one. Now we discuss fifth one. F, G and H three function from R to R. Fx equal to x square, Gx equal to 10x, Hx equal to log x. We find HOGOF root pi by 4. Which one? Root pi by 4. First, here F function. So first, we in calculation F root pi by 4. Here Fx equal to x square. F root pi by 4, put here root pi by 4 square, answer is pi by 4. Okay? Now here HOGOF root pi by 4. So HOGOF root pi by 4. Okay? So HO. Now F root pi by 4 answer is pi by 4. Okay, directly put here this one. So HOG pi by 4. Now for the G function, this is your x. G function is 10x. Okay. HO GX equal to 10x. So here G of 10 pi by 4. right? So 10 pi by 4 is answer 1. 10 pi by 4 equal to answer 1. So h1 here, this function, again repeat the statement, HO g pi by 4. HO g pi by 4 is 10 pi by 4. So 10 pi by 4 is 1. Now h1, hx equal to log x. Hx equal to log x. So h1 equal to log 1. And log 1 is answer 0. Clear? Okay. Now next, 6th number question. Fx equal to log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, gx equal to 3x plus x cube upon 1 plus 3x square. We find f of gx. Okay? Directly we calculate f of gx. F of gx. F of gx. F of gx equal to 3x plus x cube 1 plus 3x square. Okay? Now for the function fx, this is your x. This is your x. Now put here this one x. Log. Okay? 1 plus 1 minus x equal to 3x plus x cube 1 plus 3x square. 3x plus x cube 1 plus 3x square. Okay? Now LCM, cross multiplication, numerator and denominator. LCM same, so cancel. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube. And denominator, 1 plus 3x square minus 3x minus x cube. Right? In numerator and denominator, our cube formula. Remember, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. A cube, b cube, 3a square b, 3ab square. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Look here. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square. Here a equal to 1, b equal to x. Here a and b, a equal to 1 and b equal to x. A cube minus b cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b. Clear? Okay. So here log. This one reverse. 1 plus x whole cube. Here 1 minus x whole cube. In numerator and denominator power same. So common power, log 1 plus x 1 minus x power 3. In the rules of the logarithm, if power, then here beginning from the function multiplication, 3 log 1 plus x 1 minus x. Okay? So 3 log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. This is your fx. This one. This is your fx. So we can write also 3fx. Which one? 3fx. Clear? In this sum, we complete the composite function. So in total 8 video lecture, we complete the 1-1 function, many-one function, onto function, composite function. Now in next video lecture, we discuss the inverse function. Which one? Inverse function. Clear? Okay, thank you very much.